Friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss that whether the theory exam will be conducted or not for digital fluency from Women's University Bijapur, Karnataka State Women's University Bijapur. Okay, let us discuss that whether they will conduct or not. Okay, let us open that first. See that whether the syllabus is in website or not. Okay, just click on the Chrome and type here Karnataka Women's University. So here we goes the Karnataka Akamademi Women's University. So here we are going for NEP 2020. So we are clicking on NEP UG syllabus and just click on that uh, science faculty. Just click here. Okay. And here we goes digital fluency syllabus. Okay, and just keep it note here. I am just discussing Akamadevi Women's University Bijapur. Only this university concerned I am discussing, and don't consider for other university. Okay, I am just discussing only Karnataka State Akamadevi Women's University Bijapur. Okay, and just download here. Here comes your syllabus. So here it is getting opening, and you can see here they are not uploaded any kinds of syllabus and what is the format for examination. They are not uploaded here. Just they are implemented directly they are attached the textbook, and the instance a draft course components of instructions guide they are provided directly connected over here. When you click on this thing, the material has been opened like this. Okay, so what exactly this table content is, syllabus of digital fluency and regarding future skill prime and digital 101 course, and appropriate we have a model 1, model 2, model 3, and these are the table content. Okay. Okay, then let us start here. Digital fluency, what exactly the syllabus is consist over here. The syllabus is format is in the screen over here. Generally we have 40 marks formative assessment and 60 marks for summative assessment. 60 marks for summative, it means that 60-40 format we have here. And same thing already we discussed in the previous YouTube classes. Here also we have model 1, model 2, and model 3. These are the three models what we need to learn in the digital fluency. And one thing be clear with this, we don't have any kinds of reference textbook in this material. They have directly mentioned that a reference to the learn resource made available for the course title digital 101 for future skilled prime platform of NASCOM. By using this only we need to refer, and do not need to buy any kinds of a textbooks over here. Okay, so after seeing the model and model 2, model 3, and with reference, let us go for assessment. Here is the formative assessment, here is the summative assessment. So as for the formative assessment, what we need to learn here in the sense, after watching the every topic of the video, we need to 5 marks text should be are given by the students after completing of each topics. Andre ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು after model completing of every model, we need to attempt 5 questions should be given. That should be a MCQ format only. Okay, that for that only we don't have any kinds of weightage, but that is for our general GK purpose only. Okay, and we have another format, that is internal assessment. We have here internal assessment in the sense, uh, all activities and practical sessions for model 1, model 2, model 3 need to be completed by student. All the activities are expected to be done in teams, with each team comprising of 2 to 3 students, each model 1, model 2, and carries 15 marks weightage, and 3 carry model 3 carries 10 marks. So we need to make a groups. The group consists of 2 or 3 members. Per group we need to have a 2 or 3 members, not more than 3. Okay, we need to make the groups over here. For particular group, For model and model 2 we need to allot 15 marks, and model 3 we need to specify 10 marks. This is the weightage that carries around 40 marks. Okay, so after doing this 40 marks, we have another one that is called 60 marks, that is called summative assessment. We need to say it, that is summative assessment, which is carries 60 marks. Here is directly mentioned that university will conduct examination which carries 60 marks weightage. So by seeing this text, we can conclude that university will conduct examination which carries 6 marks. And they have not mentioned, I will just scrolling this one, they have not mentioned any kinds of a question paper format. They have not mentioned they have not mentioned any kinds of question paper format. Okay, they have just mentioned that university will conduct the examinations. Okay, let us see that whether they are mentioned in this textbook or not. Okay, then just I will scroll down the things over here. Mm, I think there is nothing. They have just mentioned the syllabus over here. Here is the syllabus we started over here, and just go for last one. Let us see whether we have attached the last reference or not. So here is also, I think by seeing this we can conclude that they are not attached any kinds of syllabus format. So we can conclude that, so they will conduct 60 marks weightage. University will conduct the examination which carries 60 marks weightage for 60 percentage, but they have not mentioned any kinds of a question paper format. Like for other subject they are mentioning that 1 marks question, 2 marks question, 5 marks question, 3 marks question, 10 marks question. Like this they have not mentioned any kinds of a question paper format. Just they have specified that university will conduct the examination which carries 60 marks weightage. Okay, after doing this after writing this, we have another statement which is called as, in addition, after completing of all the 3 models, student will be give final assessment with 30 questions which carries 13 minutes. For digital courses, student will have maximum 2 attempts. Those who score at least 50 marks will get certificate from the NASCOM. This is the mandate for every university. But here is the one thing which point should be noted over here. They have directly mentioned that university will conduct the examination which carries 60 marks weightage. This point should be noted over here. By seeing this text, we can conclude that as from the Akkamadevi Women's University, they may conduct theory examination. Theory examination in the sense either maybe MCQ format or theoretical format or any other format. They have not mentioned any kinds of the things, or just they are mentioning that university will conduct the examination which carries 60 marks. Okay, I am also saying that by seeing this syllabus only, I am just concluding this. And tomorrow or day after tomorrow they will give the circular like digital fluency will conduct the theory examination, or digital fluency they will conduct the attempt like online examination. Like they will provide at a time, at any time they will pass the circular. But I am just concluding this syllabus, what their syllabus they have mentioned in the syllabus. Just I am saying that only, and don't take any kinds of conclusion that they will conduct theory examination or they will conduct practical exams. I am also not concluding you that they will conduct theory exam. Just I am saying that as per your syllabus they are mentioning something like text like this, so we need to follow that one. Later they will be that concluder. Okay, just we need to follow this. So it means that we need to uh, prepare for 60 mark weightage. Okay, okay, then these are all are about your digital fluency syllabus. Okay, if you have any doubts, kindly text me in comment box so I can clarify your doubts. Okay, thank you.